What if I told you that AI could save you 2 hours every single day, and you don't need to know how to code or be a tech person to use it? In this video, I'm showing you 5 ways AI can change your daily life, starting today. Let's go. Hey, I'm Mia, and this channel is all about making AI simple and fun. No jargon, no complicated stuff. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here a while, thank you. You're awesome. Now let's get into the 5 ways AI is going to upgrade your day. Way number 1, and this one is honestly a game changer, is using AI to write and reply to emails. We've all been there. You stare at a blank screen trying to figure out how to say something professionally without sounding rude or robotic. AI fixes that instantly. You just tell it, write a polite follow-up email to a client who hasn't replied in a week. And boom, done in 5 seconds. Tools like ChatGPT or Claude are perfect for this. And the best part? You can use them for free. Way number 2, creating images for your social media, your presentations, or your blog without hiring a designer. Tools like Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, or even the image generator inside ChatGPT let you describe what you want in plain English and get a beautiful image back in seconds. Try something like a cozy coffee shop with warm lighting and a laptop on the table, digital art style. Honestly, the results are stunning. And if you don't like it, you just regenerate. Way number 3 is one I use all the time, using AI to summarize long documents, articles, or PDFs. Imagine you have a 40-page report you need to understand in 10 minutes. You upload it to NotebookLM or Claude, and you ask, give me the 5 most important points from this document. Done. You can also ask follow-up questions like you're chatting with the document itself. It's like having a personal research assistant available 24/7. Way number 4 is for all you content creators out there. AI can write your video scripts and generate captions automatically. Tools like CapCut AI, Descript, or even ChatGPT can take a simple idea, like make a 3-minute script about budgeting tips for beginners, and turn it into a full, ready-to-read script. And when your video is done, tools like Descript will transcribe it and add captions in minutes. No more hours spent on subtitles. And way number 5, organizing your ideas and creating plans. Whether it's a project plan, a meal plan, a workout schedule, or a content calendar, AI can structure it all for you. Just tell ChatGPT or Notion AI, create a 30-day content plan for a YouTube channel about AI for beginners, and it gives you a full plan with titles, formats, and posting days. This is literally what I used to plan this channel. It saves hours. So let's do a quick recap. 5 ways AI can change your daily life. Right now, for free. Emails, images, summarizing documents, video scripts and captions, and planning. You don't need to be a tech expert, you just need to start. Pick one of these today and try it. I promise it'll surprise you. And if you found this useful, subscribe, because every week I bring you simple, fun, and practical AI tips just like these. See you in the next one.